Hello, my name is Hans with King Electric. Today we'll be showing you how to adjust the wattage of one of our Pic-A-Watt multi-wattage heaters. King's exclusive Pic-A-Watt element means the heater can easily be tailored to a room's specific heating requirements. For smaller rooms, choose a lower wattage to efficiently heat the room. For larger rooms, choose a higher wattage and maximize comfort. It is easy to select the wattage during installation, and I'm going to show you how. Pic-A-Watt elements are used in a number of King heaters, but in this example, we are going to show you the original, the PA-W1215 Ultra fan drive wall heater. All Pic-A-Watt heaters leave our factory at maximum wattage. This unit is wired for 1500 watts max. First, you have to determine what wattage is needed to heat your room. We have another YouTube video which will show you how to calculate heat loss calculation and determine the room's wattage requirement. To change the wattage, it's as easy as unplugging a wire or two. The Pic-A-Watt element has 3 color-coded wires that represent a specific wattage. Disconnecting a wire lowers the total wattage of the heater by that amount. For maximum wattage, leave as factory wired. But if you want to reduce your wattage, then follow these steps. If you want 1250 watts, remove the yellow. If you want 1000 watts, remove the blue. If you want 750 watts, remove your orange. If you want 500 watts, remove orange and yellow. If you want 250 watts, remove the blue and orange. Once you disconnect a wire, take the unplugged wires and wrap it up with electrical tape for protection. Also, never unplug the black or red terminals. These are the line and load terminals that provide power to your elements. Now keep in mind, other Pic-A-Watt heaters are similar and follow the same procedure, but you will need to refer to your owner's manual for the correct color coding that applies to your model. If you need tech support, you can reach us at 206-762-0400 and select option 2, or you can email us at tech@king-electric.com. Thanks for watching. Please click the subscribe button and leave us a comment.